Final headline now from automotive news, and Standard & Poor's is initiating coverage of Tesla Motors with a sell recommendation. So, John, first of all, what is your take on this one?
Well, my take on Tesla, it's interesting. This S&P analyst came out and said basically, we like the fundamental growth story here. We're iffy on the valuation of the stock, which of course is not all that far from $200 a share at this point. I think that's actually a fair take. Would I tell an investor right now who had been holding Tesla for a while to sell? I don't think I would, but certainly that investor and all Tesla investors should be prepared for some heavy chop, some heavy volatility. This is a stock that's flying. It's priced for perfection. The good news is the company has executed very well so far. The bad news is there are big competitors lurking. Tesla may not be able to get the margins its investors are hoping for. Technology challenges lie in wait. Challenges as it expands overseas lie in wait. New competitors coming, old competitors gearing up. There's a lot that's going to buffet for the stock. And even if Tesla is eventually a big success, getting from here to there is going to be a bumpy ride for shareholders. I think there's no doubt about that. So I think, while I would not echo his sell recommendation, I think the substance of his story is something I would agree with.
What makes this fun for us to cover anyway is a day after that, Wedbush Securities comes out with an outperform rating. They raised it from neutral to outperform. Just really points out this stock can really be volatile, and hopefully, if you own the company, you have it's just a small part of your portfolio, and other things are there to balance out this volatility.
Yeah, I wouldn't make Tesla your only holding. I wouldn't bet your whole retirement on it. This other analyst who came out was interesting. They had an in-house survey showing strong demand for this future low-cost Tesla that we've talked about. But of course, so he's basing a price target on a car that doesn't exist and can't be built with current technology. That's where we're at with Tesla Motors right now.